Hey everybody, I am so excited to share with you our May customer special. So this is the special that everyone looks forward to all year long. It is our large utility tote special. So our large utility tote is our #1 seller month after month, year after year. It is at the top. And if you have one, then you know why. It is fantastic. So I think our family, the last time I counted, we had 17 large utility totes. We absolutely use them for everything. They are so fantastic. I have 3 in the back of my car. Each one of my family members has one. They are great for the beach. They're great for the pool. They are great for groceries. When you're at the grocery store, if you don't want those cans to roll around in your trunk on your way home, keep them contained in your large utility tote. They are great for gardening. Camping. They are just fantastic for everything. I tell my customers, when you get a large utility tote from me, use it for everything. If you're going to the beach, use it. If you go to the grocery store, use it. Use it for everything, and you will find out that you love it just as much as I do. So this is our large utility tote here. You have the long straps right here to carry it on your shoulder, just like this. You do have the laminated interior here. Has the laminated interior and then the fabric bottom. They are just fantastic. And this is actually in one of my test prints that I'm getting to test for 31, our global inspired line. This is the sunset medallion print. Look how gorgeous this is. And I will tell you, if you are interested in my global inspired prints, you need to get them this month. I can't release right now why, but I don't want them to sell out before that, you have a chance to purchase them. So I highly, highly, highly recommend that you purchase our global inspired prints this month instead of next month, because they are going to go fast. Okay, so this is the large utility tote in the sunset medallion print. Here it is in the geo stripe. This is a purple print. I absolutely love this. So our large utility tote is always at the price point of $35. Okay, so and our qualifier each month for our customer special is $35. So say you want to get 2 large utility totes this month, you get one at regular price at $35, then you get your second large utility tote for $10, 2 totes for $45. Isn't that amazing? So our large utility tote is our #1 selling product, okay? The next thing I'm going to share with you guys is the second part of our customer special this month. So you have 3 options this month. The first option was the large utility tote for $10 as your special. The next part of the special is you can choose a large utility tote limited for $20. So this large utility tote limited is only available in May, okay? And this has upgraded fabrics and finishes, okay? So this is going to be, I'm going to share with you guys in here the kind of the size difference between the large utility totes. So it is, let's see, I'm trying to get it even. It's a little bit taller, and I'm probably not doing that, and a little bit wider, okay? And then from the sides, it's just a little bit bigger. But anyways, so it has the upgraded fabric. So the large utility tote that I just showed you has a laminated interior. This has like a canvas interior. And it's kind of hard to tell through, on the camera here in my lighting, but you have little upgraded finishes. So the handles here have the faux leather, which makes this it just feels so great on your shoulder, and it actually stays on your shoulder. It helps to stay there. Then you've got just a little fabric, upgraded finishes. So this is in the twill stripe. This is I just love this print. You could put hot pink on here, embroider on here. You could have turquoise. Red looks really good on here. Anything looks so beautiful on here. A large black letter would look beautiful right there. So this is the large utility tote limited in twill stripe, and then I have another one of the limiteds to share with you guys. This is a brand new print. This is called Harbor Twill Stripe. So it kind of has like a burnt red stripe here, and then maybe like a dark blue or navy, or maybe like even a denim type stripe right here. So this is also the large utility tote limited. It's gorgeous in person. It is just absolutely beautiful. So this is also available in May. And then the third part of that special is a thermal that you can purchase to set inside of your large utility tote or the limited. And I don't have one of those in my hands, but I do have the customer special flyer. So you can get the thermal set. It's a large thermal and then a skinny thermal, and they just fit perfectly down inside your large utility tote. So for this month, you have 3 options. When you spend $35, you can get a large utility tote for $10, a large utility tote limited for $20, or the thermal set for $20 to go inside of your large utility tote. So there are so many options this month, and I am excited to share all of those with you. So if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.